Yo, what's up? It's about to be a different kind of video. This is a cat giving birth. I've never seen a cat give birth, so I had to watch this video, and I wanted to watch it with y'all and see what y'all think. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. All right, let's go. I'm gonna skip through because it says 18 minutes, and ain't nobody got time for that. You know what I mean? I've never seen a cat give birth. When did it come out? I didn't even. I didn't see it come out. What's this noise? Is that the baby daddy right there? Baby daddy. Out of pepper. Who is whistling? I want to see the babies come out. Dang. So much hair already. Get out of there, baby daddy. I want to see the baby come out. The kitten. Baby kitten. I don't know. What does it mean when the cat's ears is low like that? Does that mean it's trying to be cautious or something? What does that mean? Is it pushing? Did it just get another one out? She just get another one out. She looking at. Oh God. I never seen a cat move like that. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, why did they just skip straight to that? Oh, why did they do that? Oh my God. Warning. They need to put like a warning sign up here or something. God bless. I almost vomit all over the laptop. Bless. Ooh. Ooh. Is that just one or two? It was just one. He got 4 more to go. There's 4 babies in there. They're not making as much noise as how women be making. I haven't heard a woman give birth, so I don't know. But ooh, contraction right there, right? That's contraction? I don't know. Look at the babies. Ow. Ooh. Ugh. Oh my God. You almost got him out. Push one more. You can't help a animal give birth, can you? They won't allow you. You can't just reach in there and grab the baby. Push it. I guess you gotta wait for your body to give you the sign, like, okay, we're gonna push. I think that's how it works. I've never given birth. I'm not a woman. I can't give. Oh, the head is literally sticking out. Push. Oh my god. Oh. This is National Ge- Oh my god, you're dragging him! This is National Geographic. Like, this is just as real as it gets. It doesn't get any realer than this. Jeez. Did she get him out? I'm only watching this because I'm about to have a baby. If y'all haven't watched the video, I'm about to have a baby this year, soon, and just trying to get prepared on what I'm gonna see. Obviously, not gonna have a kitten. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have an actual human baby. You know what I'm saying? But just trying to get in that mind state. You know what I'm saying? That mind state. You know what I mean? What is this one doing? She got 3 out. You got 3 more to go. It says 6 kittens. 6 kittens that'll get fresh. Oh, they keep cutting to when she's pushing, and I don't be ready. I don't be ready at all. Is they trying to help you get the other ones out? Let's get Timmy out of there. Come on, where's the? She on top of one? She's smothering it? She's on top of the kitten. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below with the full video if y'all want to watch it. It's 18 minutes. I don't know if I got time. Come on, push it. Push it to the limit. Ow. This would be some good ASMR if you could just put like a mic next to that cat while she's giving birth. That's what they do on ASMR. They do that. Push that baby out of there, or that kitten. Do you call a baby a kitten? A baby cat a kitten? You can't call a baby cat a baby. Look at the baby. Look at those babies. Push it out. Uh-oh. Oh, God! Ooh. Whew. Whew. That's making me breathe. Whew. 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 Oh, push. Ah, look at it. Seems so calm. So much composure in that face. We cut to some of those women faces. You know, shout out to women giving birth, man. I'm not disrespecting y'all at all, but look at the calmness. I want to see one woman give birth with a face like this. Now let's see if it changes when she pushes. Push it to the limit. Push. She's exhausted, isn't she? You're over halfway there. You just got to get this one out. Then you got 2 more. Look at that face. Look at that face on that push. Ladies, who's gonna give me that Kawhi Leonard blank face push? I'm like this. I'm having a baby. No, don't even open your mouth. Oh, God bless. She's exhausted. Oh, she's feeding them and pushing at the same time. Ladies, step your game up. You need to be breastfeeding and having a baby at the same time. Step your game up, yo. No, this is insane. Ow, ow. Try to get those last 2 out of there, man. She got 1, 2, 3, 4 out. They already feeding. Ooh. Babies can't get. Oh, she's. Oh. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, she must have got another one now. One more. Does it sting when you pee after you give birth for cats too, or is it just for women? Does it sting? Okay, this is the last one. How does she know this is the last one? This is brutal. She gonna get out? Oh, she's leaving? No, you gotta have that baby. Oh, is that the face? Is it in the sack? What do you do to a cat after they give birth to all the kittens? How do you like patch them up or like clean them up? Like, do they even let you buy them? Oh, she forcing her like lay down, lay down. Oh God! I thought it was 2, but that was the foot. It's just 1. This was an experience for sure. This was an experience, man. Got all the babies out. Want to applaud that cat. Want to applaud you women for having these babies. Can y'all imagine if every time y'all give birth, y'all had to give birth to like 4, 5, 6, 7 kids? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Ah, what a miracle. What a miracle, man. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button if you're new. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be watching a lot more, not just cat babies. I'm not going to be watching cat babies. I'm going to be watching like stuff to prepare me into being a father. I'm going to be a father. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to be funny. It's going to be fun. Can't wait to just see all these crazy baby videos. You know what I'm saying? All right. Peace.